Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's funny that if you didn't know, now you know.
Honey, I see you looking at me. I'm ready to go with you if you want me.
Shout out my label, that's me. I'm in this bitch with TB. What you know about pulling up?
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's funny that if you didn't know, now you know. Welcome back. And today I will be installing this Nadula hair from Nadula. It is, this one I believe is 24. It's either 20, I don't know. So it's in the 20s. But today I'll be installing this baby. Make sure y'all go watch my other videos that I have posted. Thank you for watching and clicking on this video too. And make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. So I'm gonna get straight into this video. I'm not gonna be doing no talking. I'm not gonna do a lot of talking.
5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 for my earnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by, but I'm burning. My mind it runs. All these thoughts are troubling. Fighting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to pick me up. Tell you what I need. Right, yeah. I really need China. I need to free my mind. I really need my love. I need to free my mind now. I really need Jada. I need to free my mind. I really need my now. Yeah. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Tell me in love that you cannot mix. One is the joy that you cannot waste, and the other one price that you cannot fix. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Finding a way where you cannot see. Man with this system he cannot break.
From like proper producers, you know.
So you do not consider yourself a proper producer?
I call myself a baby producer because I feel like I'm still learning, and this is not like me in my final form. I'm still, you know, growing. So yeah, I'm a baby producer, but I'm about to become, you know, a full-time master.
Let's actually even speak about your growth. Where have you been? Where are you now? And where are you heading?
I've been underground, really. I've been working underground, just trying to like perfect my skills.
You don't gotta put your cup down. Hold on, drink freely. And holla at me if you need me. Maybe you should enjoy yourself. Boy, stop me, no help. They say fly girls have more fun. So what? So you should enjoy yourself. Yeah, you should enjoy yourself.
It's not that I want you here. Yeah. It's not the way you say it to my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You get away, palm trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is send up pictures on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but we don't really want. I just wanna get away. Just stay right next to you.
all of these niggas be on you.
Corey Towns, y'all.
I'm just saying I can be, yeah, the one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. If you're gonna waste your time, yeah, then waste your time with me. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. If you're gonna waste giving you what you need, then waste your time with me. You could have all the space, more than you need.
Bye, nigga, just way too long. Time ticking, I'ma bring my phone. Perfect, yeah, you can't do wrong. Don't make me wait so long. Slide on your favorite song.
I would like to get to know if it could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. Be down with what you go. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, it's gonna be down. Wanna be down.
You're nasty, but ching. Inna the Louis V vest, girl want with his squeeze silicon and real bless. Can I blow a breeze for the head of my penis? Coolest breeze that me rockin' a sleeveless. Ease out.
Look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I could let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan, and I'm out here with the 700 3i5s. Look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else does what you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is
like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
need some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe.
But now I'm gonna use this 3 times. Cause why not?
In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
Like, if I install, it's just me showing y'all how I would install it. But I feel like I'm not at the point where I give somebody a tutorial, or like this would be like a channel you could watch to, you know, learn how to install your wigs. But I feel like for my YouTube channel, I would be like doing a lot of things. Like I'll do like vlogs, drive with me, you know, lifestyle, hair. I don't know about beauty, because look at my face. As in, when I say look at my face, as in like there will be no skin tutorials for beauty and stuff like that, because I don't even know how to take care of mine. So I'm gonna wait for this to dry and then put 2 more layers, and then we're gonna put the wig on. Period.
Trying to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind is right. All these thoughts I'm troubling. Starting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. Right yet, I really need time now. I need to free my mind now. I really need my mind. I need to free my mind now.
One thing I can say is I don't know like how far, like to put the wig, to apply the wig. I don't know how, because I'm not sure if I laid on right. Because for my other wig installs, not the one that y'all see on my YouTube channel, but the ones without the video, I'd put it too close to my forehead. I'm not sure if it was close, but it looked close, you know. I'm gonna attempt with baby hairs, because the last time I did okay. As you can see, I did okay. If you go back to the YouTube channel right here, let me see if I can pop it up right here. Make sure y'all go watch that. Make sure you subscribe too, because every time I get a viewer and a subscriber, I just be like, yeah, motivation. Girl, let's be consistent, you know, post them videos. But it's like, what video? Like, I don't do nothing like in my life. My life is like boring. There needs to be a good video explaining what video ideas to post, like, you know, to make if you have a boring life. Like, I would do that, but I just started, so I don't have nothing in mind. The only thing is do hair. That's all I can say. But yeah, I forgot what I was saying, so let's just wait for this to dry, and then I'll come back and put another one, and then I think that'll be it. Yeah. Okay, I know what I was talking about. I was talking about, like, I don't know how to put the wig on, because I don't know if it's like too far from my forehead or too close to my forehead. But at the same time, I don't got a big forehead, so I don't know. I cut the wig cap the closest to my edges, and then, you know, I just apply the glue a little closer to the wig cap. I'll try. But I think this is gonna be not my last install, but I'll be like give it a break and get braids probably if I can, or butterfly locks or something, because I want my edges to be all gone. So yeah. If you got to this point, thank you for watching. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It's Juanita. You already know who it is. If you didn't know, now you know. And make sure you subscribe because I'm really cool. I'm just...
And when we're making love, your cries that can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us.
This look like it's too close to my forehead. Jesus. Oh my... Ah!
Everything I need between those thighs. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it.
I think I put the wig too close today. This time. It's like way too close. Yo, it's way close. Like, should I take it off? Bro, I'm taking this off. It's like way too close. Come on, come on.
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Bro. Let's see. If I just messed up everything, then... oh my goodness.
Just to get back for that I had days full of you before it winds down into the memories. It's all just memories now.
Okay, so this is what it looks like. I feel like this side I put too close and this side I put too back. So I don't know how to fix that. I don't think I can. And then it's like these leftovers like glue and stuff. And I think, like, do I put like, I don't know. I don't know. This side is close and this side is not close. Like, bro, like, do I just like try to cut some of this off? I don't know what to do. I'm gonna put this Fantasia. Ooh, why is it burning? Ooh, why is it burning? Okay, so I had to delete storage because it said I had no storage. So I put the Fantasia on. So do I just put alcohol to remove the glue? And over here it looked like it got too much lace. And then here it's like no lace, but it's too close. So there's a lot of problems today. Should I try to put the alcohol and clear this? Like, will I be more happier if I do that? Maybe. Let's just brush this. This was supposed to be my birthday wig, but I didn't have it in my birthday wig. Now, they wouldn't know if it's close or not, right? I hope not. Okay, so I wanted to put alcohol and try to clean it and see what happens. And you know what time it is when my phone messes with me. So I will cut the camera right now and then come back when I got the alcohol and stuff ready. But I'm gonna leave it how it is. I'm gonna just leave it how it is, because at the end of the day, like I said in my other video, if you do it by yourself, then, and it don't look too bad, it's okay. I just made it more whiter. I don't know how to get that off. Ciao. This hair is pretty good. Like, I like how it feels. It's really nice.
Baby,
Okay, so I'm done straightening it. This is how it looks. It's given. It's just given. Okay, let's see these edges. You already know. Okay, so now I'm gonna attempt doing baby hairs. I don't know how to. I really don't know. Like, I don't know. So now I don't know how to do baby hairs. Where's the black one? I just had it. Yes, right here. The first one was better than this. I think that's okay. And then the front baby hairs. Baby hairs. Baby hair should be like close, right? And then you just like if I got something, but I know that's not all of it. But I'm still going to take it how it is and then go back and fix it. But I'm gonna definitely need to I'm gonna need to watch a video or something, because I don't know. Make it a little smaller. And I don't do plucking, so I think that's much better. Okay, I'm gonna do this side and I'm gonna come back. Okay guys, so I did my edges. It took a long time and I'm not happy with what I did, the results. I don't know, I just couldn't. I don't know, I feel like that's the most, like, it's not the most hardest part, but that's what I really struggle on when it comes to doing that. I really struggle doing it. I don't know how to, like, you know, curve it, get it to look the same, getting it to lay down. Like, I was just struggling for a long time. So I'm like, I just gotta hurry up and get it done because I'm tired. I've been doing this for almost 3 hours, but not exactly 3 hours. So I'm gonna hot comb it correctly, show you the results after, and then that'll be the end of it. So I don't know. But like the first one, like the first video, not the first video, but the video that I had made that I was installing my birthday wig, I did that edges much better than this one. This one is big. This one is a lot of things. It's just too much is going on. Too much. So I'll come back and I'll show you the edges, and then that will be the end of the video. My God, I'm just crying right now because, like, look, it's big. I don't know, I'm finna mess this up. This is terrible. Like, I can't deal with it. I feel like I'm gonna have to redo this again. Like, this is the edges. This is the edges. Like, they look cute, but I can't manage this. I can't. I don't know how to maintain this. Yeah, I'm going to look at another video and I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna attempt to cut it because, like, they don't look bad. It's just too big for me. It's too big for me. I'm gonna need to cut it a little bit more. I'd rather mess up and cut it than have it big like this all the time because I just can't do that. Like, this is stressing me out. I'm gonna do it off camera again because I'm gonna just have two, because it takes a lot of time. It's gonna take a lot of space on my phone, and my phone is gonna tell me out of storage, and I don't got time for that. I don't. So I'm gonna come back when I'm fully done, when I'm fully done, because I just can't right now. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I tried my best. That's all I know. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I tried to fix it. I think I fixed it, but it's still big. And yeah, I think I'm getting tired of fixing it, and I'm about to touch it up right now after I just took that elastic band off. I just hope it don't bother with me. It don't do me wrong. Like, look at this. But like I said, if you're by yourself, then if you do it by yourself, it shouldn't be like nobody should talk bad about it because you did it yourself. It's not like, I don't know, people still gonna talk. Like, it's cute, but it's just, I don't know. This is the final look installed by Nita. It's given. The hair, beautiful. The plucking, I don't know, people be plucking their hair, but I didn't do no plucking. I didn't do plucking. I plucked this side though for the edges, but I don't think that did anything. But this is the final ending, you know. Thank you for watching me install this Nadula lace front wig. It's a 20-something inch. I have it in the description. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe, because I know when you watching this video, you see them subscribe. You see them numbers down here. So make sure you subscribe. Thank you for watching. And if you're watching here, leave a red heart in the comments, I guess. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. But if you do, yeah. But how do I fix this? How do I fix this? Like, I don't know how to fix that. But yeah, I am done. Hope to post more, hope to upload more videos, but I don't, like, to be honest, for my like video ideas, this is my last one because this is my last wig that I have that is new. And yeah, so I have to come up with more ideas. Maybe the next idea would be like drive with me or something like that, because I can drive and I have my license. So it'll probably like a drive with me. I don't know. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like it, comment, and subscribe. Please. Hallelujah.
Can you put the time on a rewind? Help me understand, can you tell me now? With your deaf ears, open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying till morning. Bye. Hey.